First, before we do the tire test, we got a burger review. That looks fire, dude. This is a double, what do they call it? Double butter burger with cheese, just ketchup, no veggies. It's from Culver's, by the way. I don't know if I said that yet. That is a tasty burger. Not much of double quarter pounder toss. Don't do a lot of fast food, but I do like Culver's, man. These burgers, best fast food burgers by far. Hopefully they don't have human DNA in it. Like somebody else's burgers we know. All right, so the tires we got today, really small tires. Okay, this is Paul from the past here. We're gonna measure these tires. And at about 52, almost 53. Yeah, 52. And probably the skinniest tires we had on the channel, 16 millimeters. Quick view of it on the bench. Tiny tires. Like some wannabe Nittos or BFGs. They're about 52 millimeters tall. They're about 16 millimeters wide. Pretty skinny, real skinny tire. They're $10. They can be at your door in a day. So if you need a tire for $10, flat, might be the one for you. They put the white foams in it from the Hobby Sole. They're kind of too big, but needed to put something in there. Feel pretty squish. Feel pretty good. We'll see how the traction is right after I finish this burger. You hear that? All right, guys, don't forget to visit our Etsy store for a cool hat like this, shirt like this. This is a swamp shirt. We also have these shirts. Good times, hard lines. We have the Gator shirt, SRQ Crawling. They all have a little front logo. We got the tire shirt. All super nice soft shirts. This is one of the other first shirts we came out with. It's still on the site. And we have the In Brushless We Trust shirt. You can get those on the Etsy. You also check out, we got the work mats, which I'm working on getting different color backgrounds. And I think we still have some koozies. They might be sold out by now, but we have koozies and some other stuff. And we got a new batch of stickers in. Hit me up. I'm going to figure out a way to get those out to y'all. But yeah, check out the store, guys. Now back to the live action. I don't know what that was, but the only thing we changed on here now, we got some 33 millimeter RC Lion shocks on here. These are the shortest shocks I could find. We were running the stock oil filled shocks, but just wanted to do a little upgrade. These ones seem cool, so we're also testing the little shocks out. All right. Oh yeah, these are Hobby Park tires. I'll put the link in the description. Whoa. give a little head bump here. Take a different approach here. I knew when I got them they weren't the most stickiest things, but that actually worked out pretty good right there. It's super sunny out here. It's like 80 something degrees. Start putting weather reports in here. I like the look of these tires. I like the size of these tires. If they're in that Muse tread, they'd be dope. This might be a problem. You try to catch the tire on here. Try to come at an angle. Whoa. It's like that tire's just not biting for me. Oh, oh! Thought we had it. All right, I'll give this one more go, just by placing it up there. Birds are laughing at your tires, man. I'm kind of just walking my way up by steering it. Maybe need some more tire spin. Yeah. Sorry if that wasn't in frame. Okay, we're doing it, boys. We are doing it. All right, boys. Gonna attempt the crack. The cracking. It's super bright out here. I can't see what I'm filming, so you have to cut me some slack today. This back tire drops. It's about to be donezo unless I can float it. No. Here we go. Oh, been quite the ride for the driver there, but whoa. It just flipped itself like 90 degrees. All right, I guess we're going this way. All right, that was the funkiest crack line we ever did. We ended up backwards. So let's try this little climb right here. Then we'll try the climb of doom. Which the climb of doom is not going to be nice on this guy. These tires. Okay, I can hear it gripping on this. It's doing all right. Ooh, that was surprising. All right, climb of doom. Commence. No. Okay, give it another go here. Surprised I made it as far as I did. See right there, the front tires really need to grab. Old Toyota's taking a beating today. These tires. Oh, yeah, these front tires, right when they're right here, they need they need to grab and pull it up. That's not happening right now. Nope. All right, so it didn't do so good on the climb of doom, but it was doing say like halfway decent on the other obstacles. So we'll take it over here to the King and Hammers course. Run it. I also want to run my purple Jeep. Keep bringing it out, but not running it. So we'll see how it does over here. Put the tires really through the paces and see how they do. This rock keeps falling out somehow. Somehow this rock keeps falling out. But let's get it going. Maybe the rain or something knocks it out. Who knows, man? The shocks seem nice. I'm gonna have to really see how they are with better tires, of course. Oh, I'm off. I'm offline here. I'm off course. Whoa. Readjust. Wow. All right, that was surprising. Make it. Whoa. See if we can make it through this other port. There's a lot of big cracks and stuff. So it's so hard to see what I'm filming today. Okay. Well, oh my gosh. These little parts can hang up on a little tire car pretty quickly. You gotta really drive around these big bumps. The back pumpkin. I need some sliders on these pumpkins. What needs to happen? All right, we made it through. We made it through one loop around. Did pretty good. All right, those are the Hobby Park. I think they're just like Type E tires. $10 on Amazon. You come next day. You need a halfway decent tire tomorrow for $10. You only got $10 in your account. These might be it. Just change up the foams. Maybe if you got inserts, put better inserts. I think they'd be all right. But yeah, I probably give them. I'm gonna say 5.5 out of 10 grippiness. Gosh, I give the bird's going crazy over there. I give the looks like I like the looks of them actually. I give them the looks like 6.5. because it could look a little bit more like the corners. Super blocky tire, but decent pick for 10 bucks. Next day, Hobby Park Type E's. Anyways, that's our tire test today. Hopefully next week I'll have these tires made by a new company coming out, so I'll be able to test those tires. I'm really excited about that, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, check out the store. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Stuck a pin in your backbone, spoke you down for that.